Where are you from? I am from London. What is your name? My name is Emma. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where do you live? I live in New York. What do you do? I am a student. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Is this your book? Yes, it is my book. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Do you have a brother? Yes, I have one brother. Where is your bag? My bag is on the chair. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Is he your friend? Yes, he is my friend. What is this? This is a pen. Who is she? She is my sister. Where is the bus stop? It is near the school. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Is it raining? Yes, it is raining. What day is it today? Today is Monday. Where is John? John is in the park. Are they at school? Yes, they are at school. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Is this your phone? No, it is not my phone. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Do you like dogs? Yes, I like dogs. Learning English can be fun and easy.